Problem 1. The statement. Consider a fixed amount of propane gas at temperature of 30 degrees centigrade and volume 1.5 meter cube. The gas under expansion such that initial and final pressures remain the same. The new temperature of the gas is 75 degrees centigrade. Calculate the new volume. So first, whatever the given values, you have to underline it. What are the given values are there here? Given values, when you go to that 30 degrees centigrade temperature and the volume is 1.5 meter cube, and here 75 degrees centigrade, calculate the volume. It means T1, V1 they have given, T2 they have given. You have to find out just V2 based upon the formula. We'll see it. The first conversion, both temperature in problem statement from the degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. We have know that the Kelvin scale formula is capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Small t, capital T is equal to small t plus 273. So small t they have given, that's the reason 30 plus 273, that is T1. This is the T1. T1 it is. This is volume V1, and here this is T2, and this is V2 you have to find out. So in this case, we have a formula capital T is equal to small t plus 273. When T they have given, T1 they have given what is the 30 degrees centigrade, that is the reason 30 plus 273.15 correct value is equal to 303.15. When T2 is equal to, the value is 75.273. 75 plus 273.15 is equal to 348. We have a formula V by T is equal to K. Based on that, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So we have to find out V2. V2 is equal to V1 by T1 into T2. All the values you know that. Substitute V1 1.5 and T1 is 303.15, and then into T2 348.15 is equal to 1.73 meter cube. So this is the volume. So out of 4 variables here, V1, V2, T1, T2, all 3 they have given, you have to find out one value. So when they have given centigrade temperature, that you have to change it into absolute temperature capital T. Therefore, the new volume after the expansion is 1.7 meter cube. Next numerical problem. Statement: a hot air balloon of volume 200 liter is cooled from a temperature of 65 degrees centigrade to room temperature. Then final volume is 1.75 liter. Estimate the room temperature. You have to estimate the room temperature. What are the values they have given? You have to underline again. Volume they have given, V they have given. Here also one V is there. So that this is considered as V1, this is considered as V2. And temperature they have given. This is T1, you have to find out T2. Simple manner. Solution. The initial temperature is T1. This is the T1. What they have given, 65 plus 273.15, you will get this value. And for Charles' law, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Just substitute the values. T2 is equal to, they are asking about the temperature T2. Temperature they are asking. This is T2. You have to find out T2. T1 they have given, this is T1. V1 they have given, and V2 also they have given. So based on that, T2 is equal to T1 into V2 by V1. So when you substitute all the values, you are getting the absolute temperature T2 is this much. T2 is equal to 295.9 minus 273. Approximately you are getting, when you convert into temperature, centigrade temperature, it is a 23 degrees centigrade. So T2, how much value you got it? 295.9 minus 273.15. Why I have minus it? When you want to get in centigrade temperature. So what value you are getting? 23 degree centigrade temperature. Hence the room temperature is 23 degree centigrade temperature. Problem 3. Statement A. Sample of nitrogen gas is placed in a mixture of ice and water at 1 atmosphere pressure. The sample occupies 0.80 dm cube of space. The sample is transferred into boiling acetone where it occupies the volume of 0.96 dm cube. Calculate the boiling point of acetone. Boiling point means temperature. Here also they are asking temperature. What the values they have given? dm cube. The sample occupies 0.80 dm cube. This is dm cube means it is a unit of volume. V. This is also V. P they have given. 1 P they have given, 2 V's they have given. Yes, what formula is applicable for this? The pressure is 1 atmosphere. At this pressure, the mixture of ice and water exists only at 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273.15 Kelvin, which is the initial temperature T1. From Charles' law, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Then you have to find out T2. T2 is equal to T1 into V2 by V1. All the values we know that. Yes, the T1 is means initial temperature, absolute temperature, the value is 273.15 into 0.96, that is V2. Already they have given 0.96 here, and V1 0.80, that value also there in the question. So you will get approximately value is 328 Kelvin. So when you remove minus 273, that Kelvin value is changed into centigrade temperature, 55 degrees centigrade temperature. 55 degrees centigrade temperature is the answer. Next, one more question, problem 4. Look on the screen. Statement. A balloon tied on a ship moving from the Arctic Ocean to Atlantic Ocean arrives at Miami, that is in USA. The temperature in the Arctic Ocean is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Temperature they have given, immediately underline it. And the corresponding volume at minus 2 degrees centigrade, the volume also given, that is 1.50 liters. At Miami, the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. Determine the volume occupied by the balloon at Miami. So all the values are given. You have to determine the volume occupied, means V2 you have to find out. Solution. T1 is given, that is minus 2 degrees centigrade. V1 is there, that is 1.50 liters. Already is there in the question. T2 also they have given the value 28 degrees centigrade. So now you have to find out the V2 with respect to the Charles law. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. When substitute the values, V2 is equal to V1 into T2 by T1. So V1 value is 1.50 liters and T2 is 28 plus 273.15. When you change it into capital T, small t they have given, you have to change it into capital T. So here also minus 2 plus 273.15. So finally you will get this answer after simplification, 1.5 into 301.15 divided by 27 1.15. Simplification, you will get the approximate value 1.67 liters, that is the V2. So this is about the problems, 4 model problems I have given you with respect to Charles law. Charles law is V is proportional to T. Before expansion, after expansion, the formula is applicable for V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. With respect to this formula, we have done 4 numerical problems. Now I am going to give you for practice to do now. Take a pen and paper, do the problems. First problem, practice problem number 1. The initial and final temperature is 4 degrees centigrade and 12 degrees centigrade. Find the final volume of initial volume is 230 mm cube. Volume they have given initial volume meter cube. Cubic meter means volume. And 2 different temperatures they have given. You have to find out the another volume. Problem 2. A gas shrinks from an initial volume of 9.2 dm cube to 8.5 dm cube. This is also volume. Find the final temperature of if the initial temperature is 45 degrees centigrade. So volumes they have given. You have to find out. These are the 2 volumes and 1 temperature. Find out another volume. Problem 3. A helium balloon expands under the constant pressure. The initial and final temperatures is 300 K and 430 K. Determine the initial volume of the final volume is 1.2 liters. In this case also 2 temperatures they have given 300 K, 430 K. And the volume, final volume V2 they have given 1.2 liter. You have to find out V1 in this case. Some more practice problems. Write a brief answer to the following questions if you think it is necessary. You may use illustrations to support your answers. Question number 1. Explain Charles' law with its equation. Question number 2. Is Charles' law universally true? If not, what are its limitations? Give some real-life examples of Charles' law. Explain graphs of Charles' law. Can Charles' law be experimentally proven? If yes, written in a few words, how would you? Some more practice problems on Charles' law. Problem number 6. The volume of balloon of helium is 0.75 liter in Los Angeles. The temperature in long angles is 13 degrees centigrade. Find the volume of the balloon in Death Valley where the temperature is 51 degrees centigrade. The pressure is constant at both the places. Problem number 7. A gas occupies 22.2 milliliter at a temperature of 358 K. Find the new volume of the temperature is reduced to 220 K. Problem 8. A student collects an experimental gas of a volume 730 milliliters at 84 degrees centigrade. What will be the temperature at 700 ml if the pressure is constant? All the 3 values they have given. A sealed syringe dipped in ice water at temperature of minus 12 degrees centigrade. The volume of the air in the syringe at room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade is 53 ml. What is the volume of in the ice water? 10th question. An experiment is performed on a gas under the constant pressure to study its behavior. The volume temperature data for a fixed amount of the gas is recorded. The data as follows. See here, the following data, as per the data, the missing values you have to fill it. The missing values you have to fill it. Find the missing quantity from the following. V1, T1 and V2 they have given, you have to find out T2. V1, T1, T2 they have given, you have to find out V1. V1, T1, V2, T2, among that you have to find out, and again V1 you have to find out T1,